So hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we will show you the rebuilding process of Caterpillar 3406 C model, and the reason behind of this head overhauling. There is a low compression ratio in the cylinder, and the lots of smokes comes out through the exhaust. So hopefully you will like the video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. So now we clean all the valve, and the next process is the refacing of valve. This process is very important in the overhaul because the valve degree has to be aligned to the seat degree. So now the next process is the ejection of seat from the seat bores. We need to eject the seats from the seat board because there's a low compression ratio and lots of smoke coming from the exhaust. So we need to install the new seat in the seat bores. So now all the intake seats are uninstalled from the head, and now we are uninstall the exhaust seat from the head. So now all the seats are uninstalled from the head, and we need to clean all the seat bores before installing new seat into the head. Intake seats. These seats are made in USA, and the brand is FP Diesel. and these exhaust seat are coming from Brazil. The brand is same, but the bigger seat of intake is coming from USA, and the small seat exhaust valve seat is coming from Brazil. So we're gonna show you that how to install the seat correctly. So as you can see that these two seats are installed correctly, and now we are coming to this seat. Insert the valve and just check out the sound. The valve shows the sound that the seat is installed properly. You can see that valve is making a good sound, and this clearly shows that the seat is installed properly into the board. Now check the exhaust valve. So this clearly shows that the seat is properly installed into the head, and will make a good sound. Now we install the seat in the second bore. As you can see that this is the model number of the seats. Now the next process is to make the degree onto the seat. In intake valve we make the degree of 30, and in exhaust valve we make the degree of 45. Now you can see that all the intake degree are set on 30, and now we move on to the exhaust degree. So now you can see that all the seats job is done, and now we put the valve into the seat and begin to the next process of lapping. So with the help of this emery we can lap the seat. So what lapping does, it make the seal onto the degree. It make the seal onto the degree, so when the engine starts the valve doesn't leak. As you can see, with the help of a lapping there is a seal coming onto the degree. You can see that the seal occurs in the degree. You can also see the valve. There is a seal occurs in the valve also. So inshallah when the engine start there will be no chances of leakage. So guys, you can see that all the process is done onto the head. So hopefully you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much.